Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I help people take control of their finances one step at a time. Today, we're diving into something that so many people struggle with, debt. Whether it's credit cards, student loans, or car payments, debt can feel like a heavy weight that's always dragging you down. But the good news? You can get out of debt faster than you think, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So grab a notebook and let's jump in. Part 1. Understanding debt. Before we talk about paying off debt fast, we need to understand what debt really is. Debt is money you owe to someone else. It comes with interest, which is basically a fee you pay for borrowing. And the longer you take to pay it off, the more you end up paying. There are two main types of debt. Good debt, like student loans or mortgages, things that might increase your net worth. Bad debt, like high-interest credit cards or payday loans. These just drain your income. The goal is to reduce or eliminate high-interest debt as fast as possible. Part 2. Why most people struggle with debt. Let's be real. Managing debt isn't just about numbers. It's about behavior, habits, and sometimes even emotions. Many of us were never taught how to budget or how credit cards actually work. So we fall into the cycle of minimum payments, late fees, and feeling overwhelmed. But it's not your fault. And the good news is that it's never too late to change. Part 3. Creating a budget that works. Now let's talk about the foundation of debt management, budgeting. If you don't tell your money where to go, it'll disappear before you even know it. Start with these 3 steps. List your income, all sources after tax. List your expenses, everything from rent to coffee runs. Categorize them. Needs, wants, and savings/debt payments. A good starting point is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. If you're in heavy debt, consider flipping that. Maybe do 40/20/40, putting more into debt payments until you're in a safer place. Part 4. Strategies to pay off debt fast. Okay, now the fun part. How do we actually get out of debt fast? First up, the debt snowball method. List debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate. Pay minimums on everything, but throw extra at the smallest. Once that's gone, roll the payment into the next one. It builds momentum, and that motivation is powerful. Option 2, the debt avalanche method. List debts by interest rate from highest to lowest. Focus on the one with the highest rate first. This saves you the most money in the long run. If your credit score is decent, consider a balance transfer credit card with 0% interest for 12 to 18 months. Just don't rack it up again. Or look into a debt consolidation loan to combine payments and lower interest. Part 5. Staying out of debt. Once you're making progress, the next challenge is not falling back into the trap. Here's how to stay debt-free. Build a small emergency fund, at least $500 to $1,000. Track your spending weekly. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you got a raise doesn't mean you need a new car. And remember, credit cards aren't evil. But if you don't pay them off in full each month, they become very expensive loans. So there you have it, a complete beginner's guide to budgeting and paying off debt fast. You don't have to be perfect. Just take the first step and keep moving forward. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. And let me know in the comments, which debt payoff method are you going to try first? Snowball or avalanche? Thanks for watching, and remember, you are capable of financial freedom, one step at a time.